Ever wanted to pull off the perfect heist? In Teardown, you get to create your own path of destruction and strategize each move to escape without a trace. With fully destructible environments, every wall, floor, and building can be torn down to complete your mission. To start breaking barriers, go to Google and type in Modvovo Teardown. Once you're on the Modvovo site, use the search bar to find Teardown, and you're just a step away from pure chaos. If you're loving the content, hit subscribe and like to stay updated.